Hi, welcome to Ask Ty. Today we're talking about file income tax and who required to file. So basically, if you're single, you made more than 14,600, you gotta file. Your heads of household, your annual income is 21,900 or more, you gotta file. And of course, they list if you're married. And it's also tell you if you're 65 at the end of 24, you fall under another category. And before you file, you'll need different form to get started. First, you'll need of course, you have to know your social security number. And then your spouse social security number, your kid's social security number, your AGI, your adjusted gross income from last year, your W-2 if you have a job, your 1099, any form of interest, 1099-G, what your refund from state last year, your 1099-D, 1099-R if you have stocks or dividend. And of course, if you own a home, you need a 1098. And if you won or have any luck like gambling, you need your W-2G. Next is, like for me, I own a home, so I do itemize. So I have a list of all my donation, like from food bank, the trip to the thrift store, like Goodwill, my list of my tithe to church, my donation to St. Jude, my medical bill, my eye exam, my car registration. You want those because you get tax break from the Avalon. And again, if you have a job, like for me, I work for the post office, so I have a uniform cleaner, the dry cleaner, the paper from the dry cleaner that show how much my cleaning and how much my receipt for like my additional boot, because yeah, we get allowance, but it's not enough. So the extra stuff like our union do. Once you get all of that, then your next thing is, if you want to file for free, the IRS have 8 trusted partner that they deal with. You go to the IRS website and you can hit browse all 8 trust partner. The first one is your online tax or your OLT.com. And basically these are for military or anyone that is single with 48,000 or less, or married couple with 84,000 or less. The next one is your tax layer. Yes, guys, this app are helpful, but it's only offer you a fee federal return. So if you file state tax, you're gonna have to pay. Remember that. The third one is the Tax Acts. And as you can see, when you click on it, it's going to show you what your annual income is. And then your 1040.com. This is also another one for the military member, especially if you're on active duty. The fifth one is 1040now.net. Sixth one is the Easy Tax Return. And the seventh one is fileyourtax.com. And the last but not least is FeeTax USA. And like I said, because I have a home, and well, as a matter of fact, I have 2 homes. So one of them is my rental. So instead of using free tax, mine is a little complicated. So I purchased a TurboTax. And with the TurboTax, it's offer you different choice. And some people will say, well, take a deduction, the standard deduction. I don't. For a simple fact that because when I add up my mortgage interest for my 1098, because I own 2 homes, and then I add my mortgage insurance premium. So when you bought a home within like 10, 15 years, you still get those if you have a 30-year mortgage. Then, of course, when you look at your pay stub, usually your last pay stub will have a lot of what your total adjustment, like with us, your insurance premium. And some people just look at their 1098. I'm all over the place.